everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a Hobby Lobby haul that I did recently. I really wanted to just go and get some replacement blades for my paper cutter. So I did end up getting this and I actually used my 40% off coupon, so I used these. I ended up getting the titanium blade one. I feel like I've been using these a lot, and I've tried to sharpen them myself to see if I can have them a little bit longer, which it does work, but in the end I use it so much that they run out of the sharpness, so I had to buy some. So that's the reason why I went. That's the reason why this is the first item. Then I went in to see what they had on clearance and what are kind of the things they had on sale. I did notice that the Happy Planner stuff, it was really limited. Their section was literally like half of the hallway, or half of the hallway, like one side of the wall. And now it was reduced to maybe like 1/3, and everything was on 40% off. And they had a very small section, like as you enter the hallway, with a few items that were new. I don't remember the collection. It had 3 girls on it, and it looked like it was more stickers than anything, and there was only 1 planner. So I don't know if they're just trying to clear everything out to bring in new items, or if they're not going to have the Happy Planner anymore. I'm not really sure. But I did buy some cute little planners on clearance last time. They were marked down, so I ended up getting the sheets here. So these are originally 40. These are 40 pieces that go into this I don't know, the tiny Happy Planner. I don't even know what the other one's called, but it's a super small one. So these are just paper. This is just lined paper. I got it for, it was originally $4.49 minus the 40% off. I'm trying to look at my paper here. It looks like they were like, oh my gosh, where are these? I think they were like, see, I don't know, because I'm looking at oh, they were 180. So they were 180, and I only grabbed the ones that they had. The other ones that they had were blank, and I really would rather have these just to kind of guide myself on what I'm doing, on what I'm writing. So I ended up getting those two, but like I said, there wasn't a lot left, and I was looking for stuff for that little planner, because I'm gonna use it to keep track of my workouts. And I want my plan is to take this little book to the gym with me to write it down, because I tried doing my phone and it's really hard to try to keep taking out my phone, and it's just a big mess. So I ended up getting this. And then those were the only things that I think were not on like reduced prices. So let me show you some of the jewelry things that I found. So I ended up finding, well, before I share this, let me share these. So I ended up finding this really cool, I don't even know what this is called. I'm gonna say a charm. So I found this really cool charm, and this is from the brand, it says on the back Be Treasures, but it says, I want to say it's Fairy Tale. I don't know, they put the sticker right on top of this, so I don't really know what that is, but it is from the brand Be Treasures. But oh my god, I swear, like, I'm a big sucker for stuff like this. So this is originally $3.99, and I got it for 99 cents. And of course, I didn't just get one, because, oh, jeez, I'm dropping stuff. Like I mentioned before, I can't just do one. So I ended up getting 4. And this is the reason why. So I don't know if you can see what it says here, but I'm trying to read it out on this other one. It says, you know that place between sleep and awake where you can still remember dreaming? That's where I'll always love you. That's where I'll be waiting. So when I read that, I'm standing there at the hallway of I think it was jewelry aisle, and I was like, oh my god, I have to take this. So I just got it, and I ended up getting, like I said, 3 other ones. But I was like, this would be, so I'm into like having stuff now on my hands with me of people that give me items from when they travel. So I really like this. So I figured that I would buy something. I was trying to look for something that would work with it. This was the closest thing that I found. Yeah, I don't even know if this is gonna fit, but I ended up getting this here. And this is from the brand Blue Moon Beads. And it's called On a Cord. It's originally $11.99 and I got it for $2.99. So this is pretty much, it looks like a belt type of thing, but you are able to wrap it around your hand twice, or at least I tried at the store. So you end up, now that I took it apart, I don't know if I'm gonna know how to put it back together. But pretty much you're able to wrap it around twice. However, I'm gonna do that. And I figured maybe this would be big enough, or this would be thin enough to put this through. So that's the reason why I got this. And I thought it was pretty cool. It was shiny on the inside. And I wonder if you can reverse it. Probably not. But I ended up getting that for that specific reason, because I wanted to try it out with that. But like I said, I was standing around there and I saw these other ones too. I only got 2 of these. And these are from the same brand, Bead Treasures. I want to say it's Fairy Tale. I'm going to try to take this one off. Yeah, Fairy Tale. And they were $4.99. I got them for $1.24. And this one just says Wish and Imagine. And these are, the holes are a little bit smaller, but I already do have some of the leather cording that I use on other, it's kind of like this one. So I might use that to put those in. So yeah, so I got these 2 as well. And then I found these really cute beads. These were $174. There wasn't a lot left. I know a lot of people have been posting the sales going on, but I was really trying to avoid going because I know that I'm gonna want to buy them, and then what am I gonna do with them? And I have all these ideas when I see these things, but then when I get home, it's just they're stored somewhere away for years, and then yeah, that's my problem. So these are also from the brand, these are from Bead Design Company, and these were $6.99 compared to, these are originally $6.99, but I got them for $174, and there's a total of 14 beads, and it's just blues, light blues, green, and it looks like this is kind of like a, it's not a yellow, but it's not beige either. I don't know, but these are cool colors that combine together, so I got that. That was everything from the bead area. And then I went to the ribbons because I just have to. And I got this, I'm doing a special project that requires blue and white. So I ended up getting this very thin ribbon from the Ribbon Boutique. It's 1/8 of an inch by 5 yards. It originally cost $1.99 and I got it for 49 cents. So I ended up getting this one because I don't have enough ribbon already, right? I probably have blue somewhere in there. And then I got this one from American Crafts. This one is 5/8 of an inch by 3 yards. This one is originally $3.99. I got it for 99 cents. So this one's not related to any project that I have a plan for, but I really like the type. It's like the little spring flowers. That's what it looked like to me, so I ended up getting that. I forgot to share this happy planner. These are one of the books that were left for the stickers collection, the sticker collections, and this is the floral one, and I figured this one could be useful for my crafting, like when I make cards and when I make books. So I figured I would get this. This was, oh my gosh, did you see that gold foiled flower right there? Where did it go? Look at those. Those are all gold foiled. So I ended up getting this one. This one original price is $19.99. And I got this one for, I used a 40%. This one was $11.99. So I ended up getting that as well. So aside from doing paper crafting and jewelry, and I do a lot of stuff, I don't have a lot of time to do all of it. But when I try to do it, I like to really put time into it. So this here is from Sewology. It's an iron-on applique, and it was originally $3.99 and I got it for 99 cents. But how could I say no to this little cute cacti? What is this guy? It doesn't say, but I love it. Look at the colors. I keep staring at it because I'm thinking, what am I going to do with it? But I do have a plan for it. Let me tell you what else I got, because it's not the only one. I got this one. I got a bigger one. Where did the bigger one go? Oh yeah, I got this one. The same brand, the same price, 99 cents. But look at it. Like, how could I say no? This one just says love, big old pink heart with sequins around it. Then I got this one here. I'm a music lover, so I had to get this one. Same brand. This one was originally $2.99. I got it for 74 cents. It just says I love music. And then I got these other ones. So these are iron on. And what a lot of people also do is they sew around it just to, you know, keep it more secure. I also got this peel and stick fabric badge that was $2.99 compared to $74. I'm sorry, I keep saying, I don't know why. It was originally $2.99, but I got it at reduced price for 74 cents. And this one says y'all thread for this. I don't know, it was just cute. I think it says thready. You're all thready for this? I want to say it says thready. It does say thready. And then I also got this one. Sew over it, because I sew also. So I have a whole bunch of patches that I've collected within the years, like I've mentioned, and I want to make a bag that has a lot of the patches. Just iron them on, sew them if I'm able to, because you know, when the bag's already made, sometimes it's hard to do that. So some years ago I did a gift for a friend, and I did a bag for her, but I added her name using my silhouette machine. So I think I'm gonna do something like that, maybe with my name, and then just add some of these cool things on it. That was the plan when I was buying that. The other thing that I had bought the other day, and I forgot to do the little haul because there was like a few of them. They had some reduced, but they had everything on sale, or they had a lot of reduced vinyl for the machine, I used it on the silhouette machine, and they had it 40% off this time. So I got 2 white ones and I got a black one, and these were $3.20 each. I'm sorry, $4.79 each. These were $4.79 each. And last time I went, they had a whole bunch on clearance or reduce. When I say reduce, I'm thinking they're trying to get rid of it, right? So I got a few, but I forgot to do the video. But I ended up having to pay full price, and I was so upset because it was just like a few weeks ago, and I was like, really? But anyways, I ended up just getting a few because I have been working on some projects for some people, and they usually ask for white or black. So I ended up getting this because I have other colors that people would not be so interested in. So anyway, so this is a very small haul from Hobby Lobby, where I got stuff that I really didn't need, but I just had to buy it because they had these orange stickers and I can't help myself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.